welcome back to me, Vasu. Wish you all and your family a very happy and Merry Christmas. The Christmas green eye makeup look along with a red lipstick is always the best combination that we can create for Christmas. So in today's video, I'm going to create this green glitter eye makeup look with Jelly Wing Cosmetics glitters. So without any delay, let's go into the video and see how I created this eye makeup look. As I'm planning to do a glitter eye makeup today, I thought I'll start with my eye makeup and then do the rest of my face. Today I'm using the eye primer from Ulta Beauty.
Using a eye primer creates a smooth base for your eyeshadow and will prevent from creasing. And make sure you're blending your primers well.
Now that my eye is primed, I will start with the base, taking a fluffy brush. I'm planning to do a green glitter eye makeup, so I will take a little bit darker, like use this brown shade.
Using a base eyeshadow will increase the intensity of the color of eyeshadow that you are applying on top of it. And the base eyeshadow is almost done.
Now that I already had a base with a brown shade on my eye, I'm taking the shade of a green which will blend into this brown shade, and then on top of it I can add my glitters. I'm just dabbing it on my crease area because I wanted to add the glitter only in that area of my eye. So I'm just doing it, and I would like to create a wing from there, and I'm repeating the same to my other eye. Now that I have my base, I will do my eyebrows first so that as soon as I apply the glitter on my eye, it will create a very good look.
Eyebrows play a very important role in our face makeup. I have made a complete video only on grooming your eyebrows. So if you want to understand how I'm doing my eyebrows, you can go and check that video. I'll add it in the card. I'm using a little bit of foundation to make sure that I'm getting the perfect shape of the eyebrows, because today I'm doing a glam look. I wanted everything to be perfect.
I'm done with my eyebrows. I think they came up very nicely as well. Now the actual glitter part is starting. I'll be using this green glitter from Jelly Wing Cosmetics, and this is named as Androgyny. And I'm also using the glitter glue from the same brand. And this is a paintbrush, and I'm trying to use this for gluing on my eye.
Today I'm using this eyeshadow shield to prevent the glitter falling on my face and also getting that perfect wing look. The Jelly Wing Cosmetic glitters are very soft, and I'm gently dabbing it on the area where I already glued it. And while gluing itself, I made sure that I'm getting the correct wing as well. I was already getting the Christmas vibes while I was creating and blending this glitter on my eye.
This is so amazing.
Now that we are done, gently remove the eye shield to see that perfect wing look. I'm using the same shield for the other eye as well, and repeating the same process of keeping the glue only on the crease area and gently dabbing the glitter on the eye. I processed the video in a super fast speed, but it will take time in actual.
Really loving it. I just left a little bit gap here so that my eyeliner glides well.
I'm using my NYX Epic liner in shade black. This is the first time that I'm using it, and it has come up very nicely. And also I have made a complete video on how to do your eyeliner, and you can go and watch my eyeliner tutorial as well. As I'm planning to use my false lashes today, I'm trying to just give a little bit curl.
I'm using my Revlon mascara.
Always make sure to use a little bit of mascara so that when you apply the false lashes, they will blend together.
Now let's do the face makeup.
I'm using my all-time favorite MAC Studio Fix foundation in shade NC42, and I always make sure that I'm applying it all over the face and then blend it very nicely. And also don't forget your neck.
I'm using my MAC concealer in shade NW35.
Recently I had a little bit of acne and I had to cover them all. Concealers help a lot to cover up any imperfections or spots on the face.
Recently I purchased this contour stick from LA Colors just to try how it works. This is a little bit darker shade, and
Contouring will always enhance and slim down the facial features, so it has to be applied only in specific areas on the face and should always be blended in an upward direction so that your face will always look lifted. I liked my nose contouring because it is looking very sharp.
Now that almost the makeup with the foundation, concealer and the contouring is done, now I'll set it with my powder. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC43.
And I always use a powder brush so that I will not go overloaded with the powder on my face.
I'm using my blush from Sephora, Hey Jealous N17. It's highlighting time. I'm using my highlighter from Nomad Cosmetics, Kiss of Sun highlighter. As I'm wearing a wide neck today, some highlighting for my collarbone.
Twist your body a little bit up and here you go.
How they're getting highlighted now. Now it's time to fix it, and then at the end I will be applying my false lashes and then a lipstick as well. As I always say, please use a fixing spray or a setting spray so that your makeup will not look cakey and it will be very good.
Now it's time to add my false lashes to create the glamorous look.
I'm done with my lashes as well now. Really loving my look. I'm not sure how it is looking on the camera, but I really love this. I'll fill my waterline with a black kajal pencil. Now it's time for a perfect lipstick. Today I'll be using my MAC Ruby Woo lip pencil. Today I want to create a perfect Christmas and I really wanted to make sure that my lips are also perfect red, so I'm using this pencil and I'll be using my Revlon Colorstay Satin lipstick in shade My Own Boss. This is a perfect red for your Christmas.
Now it's time to accessorize my neck and ears and all with gold. But I didn't like my straight hair, so I will just quickly curl and come back. And this is the final version of my Christmas look, and I did so many reels in Instagram.
Hope you all liked this video and the techniques that I used. So if you think that my video is helpful to you to create your Christmas eye makeup look, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu. Also, please don't forget to ring the bell icon so that as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Meet you all in the next wonderful video. Until then, bye. Take care.
If you also want to grab these glitters from Jellywing Cosmetics, you can also use my code MEVASU and get 20% discount. I will add all the details in the description box.